Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a LinkedIn account. Password and security help step by step clearly. Open the LinkedIn app or go to LinkedIn.com on your browser. Click Sign In to start the recovery process from the login screen. Select Forgot Password to request a reset link or code. Enter the email address or phone number connected to your LinkedIn account. Click Submit and wait for LinkedIn to send the verification email or SMS. Open your email inbox and check the message from LinkedIn for the reset link. If you do not see the email, check spam, junk, promotions, and all folders. If you used a phone number, open your SMS messages and find the verification code. Return to LinkedIn and follow the link or enter the code exactly as received. Create a new strong password that you have never used on other websites. Use at least 12 characters with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Confirm the new password and complete the reset to regain access. If you no longer have access to your email or phone, choose Need More Help or similar option on the reset page. Select the account recovery option and follow the identity verification instructions. Upload the requested document only through LinkedIn's official help flow if asked. Once you can sign in, immediately go to Settings and Privacy from your profile menu. Open Sign In and Security to review your account protection options. Turn on two-step verification and choose an authenticator app if available. Add and verify a backup phone number and a secondary email for recovery. Check where you're signed in and sign out of devices you do not recognize. Review your recent login activity for unusual locations or times. Change your email password as well if your email account may be compromised. Update your LinkedIn password again if you suspect someone else saw the new one. Go to email addresses and remove any email you did not add. Go to phone numbers and remove any number you do not recognize. Review connected services and disconnect apps or extensions you do not trust. Enable security notifications so LinkedIn alerts you about new sign-ins. Save your recovery info and keep your authenticator backup codes in a safe place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.